guys, welcome to my channel. Yan, unbox tayo ng order ko sa Shopee. Unbox natin to guys. Yan. Another casing, cellphone case. This is my new casing na bagong casing. Ayan. Dalawa lang yung in-order ko kasi marami na akong casing. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? So, ayun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.